Alright, guys, so when I say don't tell anyone about your YouTube, I mean don't tell your friends about the fact that you're starting a YouTube channel or that you have a YouTube channel. Don't tell your family about this. Don't tell your coworkers. Don't tell literally anybody. Okay? Now, probably if you are married or you're in a long-term relationship, then probably you'd have to tell your partner, but I would say try and keep it for yourself. And why am I saying this? Well, there's multiple reasons to this. And one of them is you don't want to put the pressure, you don't want to put any type of pressure on your shoulders, right? It's maybe scary enough for some of you or for people in general to start a YouTube channel, record videos, and put themselves out there for the world to see. All right, that's scary enough and awkward enough for many of us. Okay, don't make it worse. Don't make it worse. That's the first thing. Okay, the first reason is just for your mental comfort, because at the beginning you might come off as awkward in the videos. You might come off as unnatural in your videos. All right. There's even a term called find your voice. You might even be using a different voice in the beginning. You know, you will not be the same you that you are when you are with your friends or when you are with your family, your coworkers. And that takes time to kind of develop, to kind of be as close to how you are in real life, or just as you are in real life. So don't make it harder on yourself. Okay, that's the first reason why you should not tell anybody about your YouTube channel. And because then no one has expectations of you. Okay, and you can post whatever you want to post about, and maybe, because the chances of them finding your channel, being recommended, or having your channel recommended by YouTube on their feed are low. All right, they are very low. Not that it cannot happen, but they are low. So take advantage of that. Take advantage of that. And by the time maybe you are having a couple thousand subscribers already, and they might be finding out about your channel, then you're already much more confident in front of the camera and much more careless about what people think, you know, in case they don't agree with you, or they don't agree with you having a channel, or in case they think you're weird in front of the camera or anything like that. Second reason is because your friends and family are probably not the audience you want to attract on your channel. Now, if they know that you have a channel, they might subscribe to your channel, you know. They might like your videos, they might comment, especially in the beginning, but then they probably will stop because they're actually maybe not gonna watch every single video of you. However, even if they did, they are not your audience. They're not the type of people you want to reach with your content. Okay, so let the algorithm find the right type of people for you. Okay, Don't don't try and force it. Don't try and force it. Okay? I used to do, so I had two different channels in the past that I started with and posting content. I was so, like, my number one goal was to get subscribers, okay? And I did not care about the type of subscribers I would get. I just wanted subscribers. So I actually went on, a few times I did that. I went on Reddit and posted on Reddit. I would just spam groups on Reddit with the videos that I was making, okay? And in the hopes that I will boost my views and I'll get a few more, like, subscribers, a couple more subscribers from those posts that I would make on Reddit. That's a terrible idea. That's a terrible idea, and there are probably still on YouTube people who recommend that. I definitely don't. I definitely think it's a terrible idea, and it's a lot of extra work from your side that you don't need. Okay? You don't need. Trust the algorithm. Here is where the algorithm comes into play. Okay? YouTube's algorithm, and the algorithm of these platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Google, Instagram, it's really intelligent. Like, it has a great amount of artificial intelligence. Okay, so this is where you should kind of let the algorithm do its job. Just post content that you want to post on your channel. Be strategic about it. Think what type of content you have to post to attract the type of people you want to attract to your channel, and do that. And don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell your family about it. Don't go on Reddit and spam a bunch of groups with your videos. Okay? Let the algorithm do its job. Okay? Let the algorithm do its job. Focus on what you have control over, and that is the type of content you create, and creating that content and publishing it and being consistent and this and that. All right? Don't tell your friends, don't tell your family about your channel. It's not going to help. There is no point in it. Okay? There is no point in it. It's a terrible idea. There is extra pressure and extra awkwardness in the beginning, and then second, they're not even your audience. Your friends and family are, just as simple as that. They're not your audience, and they will subscribe to you if you tell them, of course, because they're friends and family, and they want to support you, but they're not part of your audience. So don't do that. Don't do that. All right? Now, I hope this video was informative. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about it. If you think what I say is right or if it's wrong, let us debate if you want to, in a good manner, of course, and with respect. But let me know your opinion. I'm curious, and especially if you, not especially, but if you have a YouTube channel, let me know your opinion. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, let me know your opinion as well. That's all I had to say in this video. See you in the next one.